Hello. Welcome to my channel, my dear friends. My name is Abhilash and I'm a trader on XAUUSD. In this video, I'll be analyzing the chart of gold USD. So if you're watching my videos for the first time, you can subscribe to my channel for regular market analysis. So let's get started. So my dear friends, I'm in a 4-hour chart of gold USD, and as you can see that gold is trading at 1741 right now. This is the current market price here, and after the market opening, as we can see that there is not much movement on the chart. Market is constantly forming dojis, and as we all know, dojis signify indecision in the market. So market is in indecision mode right now, so as a result you should not be doing anything. If you already have any ongoing position, then you can be on the trade. But if you are looking for fresh entry, fresh position in the market, then my dear friend, this is not a right time. And my dear friend, you must also keep in mind that Monday mornings are very stagnant. Okay, usually you should try to avoid Monday mornings and Friday evenings because of low volume. Right now, market does not have much participation. As a result, we do not see much volatility in the market. Probably after the European session or US session, we will see some volatility and market will be taking a direction. So overall, the levels that I mentioned on Saturday are still intact. They remain the same. 1730 is an important level for you. If market breaks it, you will get a selling position, but keep in mind selling should be good enough. If the size of the candle is good enough, if you see market breaking 1730, you can take a sell position and your target will be 1720. 1720 has been acting as a very strong support for quite some time, so maybe market will try to take a pause around 1720. In case if market bounces well and good from 1720, you can try to take a buy position, but that depends on the market situation. In case of a heavy selling in the market, if you find market breaking 1720 also, okay, because after this is market, then there may be heavy selling below 1720 as well. So 1720 will be right now, 1730 will be important, then 1720 important. If market breaks 1720 also, then the ultimate support will be at 1680 level. Okay, so as of now, let's wait and watch in case market goes down, and if market starts going higher, then 1755 will be the important level for you. If market breaks 1755 level, wait for some time. If you see that market is sustaining above 1755, market is trading comfortably above 1755, you can go for a buy position as well. And day traders, your important levels, okay, important levels are also the same. Again, I'll say that day traders, you can expect selling around 1752 level. If you find market reversing from 1752 level because of previous price rejection, you can try taking a sell position. Keep in mind, confirmation will be important on the lower time frame. I am on a 15 minutes time frame right now. If you see a shooting star pattern or any good price rejection from above or bearish engulfing pattern, you get the confirmation that yes, you are good to go for a sell position, and you can take a sell position around 1752-51 level. And similarly, if you find market coming down to 1732 level, watch the market. If market reverses from 1732 level, you can go for a buy position. So these are the levels for usual traders and day traders. Okay, and if you want a detailed analysis, then watch the video that are uploaded on Saturday. I'll be pasting down the link in the description box. I am not going in detailed analysis because already I have discussed on Saturday, and I do not want to bore you again by repeating the same stuff. So if you are watching my videos for the first time, then hit on the subscribe button and watch the video that I uploaded on Saturday for a detailed picture of the gold USD chart. Okay, so let's wait and watch, and please follow proper risk management. Keep in mind that protection of your capital, hard-earned money should be your first priority. Bye bye, take care.